What is the value of x? This is a trigonometric question that required basic trigonometric identity knowledge. Label points A, B, C, D and E. From triangle ACD. Line CD divided by line AC equals to tan alpha, which is equals to 2 divided by line AC. It follows that line AC equals 2 divided by tan alpha. We call it equation 1. Also, from triangle ACE. Line AC divided by line CE equals tan 2 times alpha, which equals to line AC divided by 4. It implies that line AC equals the product of 4 and tan 2 times alpha. We call it equation 2. Equate equation 1 and equation 2. 2 divided by tan alpha equals the product of 4 and tan 2 times alpha. We call it equation 3. By trigonometric identity, tan 2 times alpha equals the product of 2 and tan alpha, all divided by 1 minus the square of tan alpha. Substitute into equation 3. It signifies that 2 divided by tan alpha equals the values shown on the screen. Let tan alpha equals to y. It follows that 2 divided by y equals to 8 times y, all divided by 1 minus the square of y. Cross multiply. We have that the product of 2 and 1 minus the square of y equals 8 times the square of y. Expand bracket. It implies that 2 minus 2 times the square of y equals 8 times the square of y. Combine like terms, so that 2 equals the sum of 8 times the square of y and 2 times the square of y, which equals to 10 times the square of y. Make the square of y the subject of the formula. We obtain that the square of y equals 2 divided by 10, which equals to 1 divided by 5. Find the square root of the equation. Hence, y equals 1 divided by the square root of 5. Recall that y equals tan alpha. It follows that tan alpha equals to 1 divided by the square root of 5. Hence, tan 2 times alpha equals the product of 2 and tan alpha, all divided by 1 minus the square of tan alpha, which equals to the square root of 5 divided by 2, after simplification of substituted values. Hence, tan 2 times alpha equals the square root of 5 divided by 2. Substitute the value of tan 2 times alpha into equation 3. We have that line AC equals the product of 4 and tan 2 times alpha, which equals to 4 times the square root of 5, all divided by 2. The result simplified to the product of 2 and the square root of 5. Consider triangle ACE. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line AE equals the square of x, which equals to the sum of the square of line CE and the square of line AOC. The result equals to 36. After substitution and simplification of values, as shown on the screen. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that the length of line AE equals the square root of 36, which equals to 6 units. The result is equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 6 units.